Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac ATS key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both existing and new ones, as you'll need them all for this procedure. Make sure the emergency key blade for any new fob is already cut. You'll also need to identify the key lock cylinder on the driver's door and the transmitter pocket, usually found in your center console. Being prepared will make the process much smoother. To begin, carefully remove the small cap that covers the key lock cylinder on your driver's door. Next, insert the emergency key blade into this cylinder. Turn the key counterclockwise to the unlock position 5 times within a quick 10-second window. Your vehicle's Driver Information Center, or DIC, should then display the message Remote Learn Pending. Please wait, confirming you've entered programming mode. Once you see Remote Learn Pending, please wait. You'll need to be patient. Wait for about 10 minutes until the DIC changes its message to press Start button to learn. Now, take your new smart key and place it securely into the transmitter pocket, which is typically located inside your center console. With the new fob in place, simply press the engine Start/Stop button to program it to your Cadillac ATS. After programming, remove the new fob from the transmitter pocket and press either the unlock or lock button to finalize the process. If you have more key fobs to program, simply repeat the previous steps for each one. If you encounter any issues, ensure your emergency key is cut correctly and that you're following the timing precisely. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.